Welcome to GH Master 2 for CET and all these competitive examinations. All results available in GH Master 2. Topic integration. Question: if in is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx into dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan power n ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ in integration of n ಅಂದರೆ tan power n into dx, where n is a positive integer, then I10 plus I8 is equal to what? Option A 9, option B 1 by 7, option C 1 by 8, option D 1 by 9. Now in is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of nx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಅಂದರೆ ಪವರಲ್ಲಿ n ಇರುತ್ತೆ, into dx. Now without changes value 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of nx can be written as tan to the power of n minus 2x into tan power 2x. According to law of indices, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, we get the same result, into dx. In is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of n minus 2x into identity formula of tan square x, secant square x minus 1 into dx. In is equal to 0 to pi by 4 split tan to the power of n minus 2x into secant square x into dx minus 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of n minus 2 into x into dx. In is equal to, it call it as, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು I n minus 2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ in is equal to ಪವರಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರಲ್ಲಿ n minus 2 ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I n minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ put t is equal to tan x, dt is equal to secant square x into dx. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x is equal to 0, tan 0 t is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to tan pi by 4, tan 45, t is equal to 1. In is equal to 0 goes to 0, pi by 4 goes to 1, secant square x into dx is by dt, tan x t power n minus 2 minus I n minus 2. ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ in plus I n minus 2 is equal to integration of t power n minus 2 is nothing but t power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 from 0 to 1. In plus in minus 2 is equal to, apply the limit, upper limit 1 power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 minus 0. Now in plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 power n minus 1 by n minus 1. Put n is equal to 10. I 10 plus I 10 minus 2 8 is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 9. I 10 plus I 8 is equal to 1 by 9. Options D is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.